It is 55 degrees. Me up. Oh, this is a pretty building. That doesn't sound. So the nasty. Serious? No, I mean serious, like actually, like. Calling my mom back. Purr! Show the food. Show them what you grubbing on. That looks literally so good. I'm trying that, bro. Yeah. Shut up. Shut up. It's hey guys. Oh, this is really cute. Tell them what you got. Oh shoot! Please do not come over here. What? The bird? Stop! Kick it! No, I want to kick a bird. Just kidding, guys. I don't kick birds. Look how bomb. That looks really good. It's so cute in here. Those are pretty. Oh, I like the one next to it. Come over here. The pink one? The pink one. I think that too. I have a jacket under this. Yeah, I don't know how you were cold. It's freezing. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Ain't nobody here. I love the sea. Really? Do you want a picture? Come on, act like a tourist. Stuff is not popping out over here. It's just restaurants. So we are going to the... Hey, we're going to the Ventura. We're going to the garden, basically. She stutters too much. One day, when the globe is gone, it will be us. It will be us. Oh, one day. Oh, remember when we went? Yes. Okay. Too much. Now. Are you okay? That sounded so hard. Are you okay? No, I'm gonna wake up with a fat thing right here. Maybe it did finish. Oh, it did finish. Wait, did it? I think it did. I don't know.
Turn left on.
It's not far.
Ferguson days on Castro.
Running back with 5 sunset time, kind of. New location. Now we're in Vegas. Took us 20 minutes. She don't know where she's going. I do, it's up here. It looked dead up there anyway. What the Hey! Let's just walk around.
Don't worry about me, I'm a thug. You kill a street nigga, get a dime.
Oh, let's go before we get arrested. Oh, this is a pretty building. Baby, won't you come? You want Starbucks? Oh, yeah. Now we're going to Starbucks. Don't worry, guys. 6 feet apart. This is definitely 6. No.
That's gonna help.
I don't know.
Okay, here I go.
3, 2, wait, 3, 2, 3.
Okay, 1.
Yes, no?
It's tea.
It's tea? It tastes like tea?
It's not bad. It's
Would you get it again?
yeah.
That doesn't sound...
Okay, your turn.
I like how everywhere we've gone, there's like nobody. Like, look, bro. Now this is 6 feet apart.
There we go.
Because I scooted back.
Thank you.
Are my lips dry?
She got peppermint mocha.
Can I say a walk
don't
up
know, yeah.
grande peppermint mocha frap with...
It's not called a walk up. You literally walked up to Starbucks.
That's what...
It's not what it's called.
I'm just reading on.
Okay.
Stop. I have to make
Well,
sure...
this is actually, it's good.
Sure it is. Who's gonna believe that? This is good. Like...
Okay, come on, hurry up. Where's
Okay,
my
okay.
storage?
Should I be dramatic? Should I be like...
Let's taste it.
If it's...
So is it nasty?
No, it's actually good. It's actually good, it's actually good, it's actually good. Like, you know when you have hot chocolate and you put a candy cane?
This is This is good.
Finish. N.
I'm a little
D.
confused too.
O. N.
Now why?
What if I put that in?
Please. Please don't. It's actually really good.
You're lying. You look so good. This lighting.
Really?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, no, bro. That just proves that that I'm really authentic, because some people would just want the people to like.
Some people just want a reaction. So
yeah,
they don't
and
reaction.
that's my real reaction. And if you don't like that, then I'm so sorry that you.
No, you're not sorry.
I know.
Sorry,
If you don't
not
like
sorry.
that, then okay. What am I supposed to do?
As Beyonce said, sorry, not sorry. Or Rihanna.
I thought there was someone next. But
Was it the tree, or was it just your eyes tripping?
It was.
This is such a vibe.
This
bro.
is a vibe.
And this doesn't even.
No, I'm serious.
No.
Well,
Enough camera time for her. Too much liquor make me want to call him.
what?
This really is.
This is.
I'm serious.
No, I'm being serious. Like actually, like for real. Like genuinely, yes.
No, see, does that sound genuine to you at all?
Like, I'm just warning you. Like it's like to you.
Okay.
I would have it both of us, but that's impossible because it's 6 feet.
She said 6 feet.
I got tested.
Cannot.
If my dad doesn't have it, then I don't have it. Enough time for her. It's time for me. Tilt it right.
I can't see.
I want to see.
Oh, you want to see you?
Yeah, that's perfect. So yeah, guys, we're just having a really good time.
I can't.
So guys, and yeah, enjoying our free time. Even though we had school, I forgot. Today feels like a Friday. I mean Saturday.
How do you think you did on your math test?
What math test?
Ah! You told me you had one today.
I did.
Sorry.
I did.
Okay. Sorry.
I did. But yeah, my math test. That was like last week. I got 80%. It's actually really good, like girl.
Too much. Okay, like rate it, cause I can't with your statements. They don't mean anything anymore. What were you doing for 3 months? Say it, please. No, guys. I was talking about this drink. And I said it's very Christmassy. And you said?
Beautiful day outside, that's what I said. It is really beautiful.
No, she said it's Christmas. I would know. Because I was in a coma for 3 months. No, you weren't. No, you weren't. What made you say that? Hey, look it. There's Ashlyn. Oh, look at her. You haven't seen anything you liked yet? What's up?
I like this. I like the store.
Me too. Look at it. Okay. And look at these. You probably see these too long, but okay.
Actually, maybe not.
Look at these Vans. They have like rings on them. It's kind of cool. Let's see. Was I really? But it's like that should be the butt, and I think that's the front.
No, this is that's the front. It's like yes.
That's the front.
Yeah.
My cheeks are supposed to. Well, it looks like my cheeks.
It is.
Oh, so it's like that on. I like this material.
You do?
What's up? Do you think these would fit me? Wait, let
It
me
costs
see.
about 6. I'm just joking. I'm
Stop.
I really don't know.
It's 6:30. Don't play.
No, I actually think it's close to 6.
This store is huge. Come on. Oh, this purse is cute.
Oh, that is a nice purse.
That looks like something you would wear.
Honestly?
No, they did not make a trash can purse.
Wait, where?
Right there. Are these skirts? Okay, super short, so maybe not. Look, you guys, this stuff is nice. Are you gonna get it? Where did she go? Ash. Ash, did you hear me? Where did she go?
Nice.
It reminds me of the long one you have. That's white and... Hello? I just hung up on my mom.
Well, she knows.
Calling my mom back. Oh, that's a top. I think. No. Everybody calling us right now. I'm gonna look at all of this.
This is right here too.
Oh,
Perfect.
Your nails are cute.
Thank you.
And you're okay carrying out behind us all?
Brick.
Don't.
Ow.
Don't.
Barnes and Noble. Next stop. It seems like we went everywhere. This makes me so happy.
Hello, thank you.
Dude, people that are obsessed with books probably are obsessed with this store. Like what?
Even if you don't like books though, like honestly.
Yeah. It's
If I buy you a book, would you read it?
yeah, hell yeah. It's just like a little overwhelming, but
It's like so much.
huh? English? Really? Love, spit it out today. I ain't got no time to waste. You got me losing patience. Is there a specific book? Did I already ask you that? What's up, y'all? I look bold. I'm looking at books like a cool kid. One word changes everything for more than 10 words within it. I like this. I don't know where Ashley went. She went to go look for a poetry book, but I just realized that this is basically a library, so I can't be like screaming. You guys don't know I'm very spiritual, and so I'm looking in like the spirituality and all of that, self-transformation books like that. And I was gonna get this one because I'm literally in love with chakras. I don't understand how in love I am right now. I'm trying to whisper because there's a guy on the floor next to me just like in his own zone. What the heck is that? Yeah, I like how it's very wordy. I like how you can also write. It makes you write certain things. So I'm definitely gonna get this one. Oh my goodness, and I literally have books like listed in my phone that I want to get, so but I'm probably gonna order those online.
We drinking at a hotel, not green. Made it to the hotel lobby. Ain't nobody ever did it this night. It's going down in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. That's you and me time. We getting so
You don't trust me now, right?
I hypnotize you with this.
all your free time. You don't need no me time.
That's you and me.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, I don't want to leave. Man, I love you.
I love you. Oh,
Thank you for taking me. I love you. I love you.